So how this is working is I got a ton of wood chips. I probably got 25 yards. Each yard is about 25 bags. So I got a ton of wood chips. I had them spread out. I created 3 separate huge beds. Into each bed is at least 1 tree and then a bunch of shrubs. Wood chips were free. Then I have to do 6 to 8 inches of wood chips to smother the grass. If it's less, the grass pokes through and that's irritating. So once I killed some grass in some locations, I raked off excess chips, expanded the beds or made a whole new bed, and it went like that because you don't need 6 inches of wood chips. You can't plant right into that. That's not going to work, and you don't want to mix it into the soil. It's just for suffocation and then a little bit for mulch later. Anyway, so I've expanded and expanded, and now I'm ready. Like, this is it. This is the grass paths. What you see as grass now will be probably next year wood chips. So I'm going to kill that final amount of grass because who needs this grass? This is impossible to mow. I'm like weed whacking it to mow it. I'm exaggerating. My goal is to have only as much lawn as I can weed whack with 1 battery. That's my challenge to you guys out there. But anyway, yeah, so next year I will, the plants will have filled in more, not much, but more. And then I will get pine needles from up the street. I will put them on all the beds, and that will differentiate them from the paths, which will then be wood chips. And then the beds will fill in, and I'll be adding some ground cover and perennials, but the real perennials are along the driveway because I can't put shrubs there because we do have snow. So that's summer bulbs and perennials there. Anyway, that is what I'm doing. I'm so excited. These are my bare root shrubs. They came like twigs.